that was the Fairy Glen. As you saw, there's a little castle outcrop that we were able to make our way to the top of, which was a little bit of a squeeze to get through, but we managed, even with a little one. We belayed her up to get to the top. The whole of this area is full of these oddly shaped hills. I don't know exactly how they're formed like this, but it makes for some really nice scenery. As you can see, it's I understand why it's called the Fairy Glen. So we're off now back to the car. It's a short kind of 15-minute hike back, and then we're going to attempt a bit of a ridge walk. The weather today, a little bit cloudy, sunny but dry at the moment. The forecast for this afternoon is that it's supposed to pick up and start blowing a little bit of a gale. As I said this morning, I don't know how much we can trust these weather reports. Take them with a pinch of salt, I think. So we're going to have a go, make the attempt. It seems a little bit too much, then we're turning back round. And there's a beach with some dinosaur footprints on, so that's on the cards. I think we need to find a spot of lunch first. Got a few supplies in the car, but it'd be nice to have a proper meal before we head up the mountain. And yeah, we'll crack on. We've made our way down from the mountain to the seaside now. We're on Coran Beach, which is quite famous for imprinted dinosaur footprints, so we're having a bit of an explore and seeing what we can find. So we stopped off this evening at a place called Enquires. I have absolutely no idea if I've got the pronunciation right on that, but it's a lock that feeds into the water that goes out where the Bridge of the Isle of Skye is. We went back over to the mainland. The weather's not supposed to be great tomorrow, and what we had planned in Skye would have put us up one of the other mountains. So we've headed back over to the mainland, and I think we're going to have a look to see if there's any indoor activities for tomorrow, possibly for a little one. So we found ourselves a beautiful wild camping spot that's lockside. Unfortunately a little bit late getting to the pub that's just close by to be able to get any food, but we stopped off at the co-op on the way. Got some snacks for this evening and also some breakfast for the morning. So goodbye for now, and I'll see you soon. Well, good morning. For us today it's Easter Sunday. Woken up next to this beautiful loch. A really good night actually. We stopped off at the co-op on the way to pick up some supplies and used the app to find this spot here, right on the side of the loch. No disturbances, really quiet night. A road that's picked up a little bit of traffic now, I think must be kind of locals and tourists, but being a Sunday it was a very quiet night. Planned for today, I think there is a small little castle that's got a bridge just jetting out to it down the road. We passed that about a mile away. Past that last night as we were heading to this spot. Then we are going to be heading towards Fort William. The luxury today of stopping off at anywhere that we want, anything that looks interesting and fun. I think we might be chasing some chocolate rain from the Easter Bunny. But apart from that, it's going to be hopefully quite a nice day. A little bit of rain this morning, but it's stopped now, so we'll see what it does. Fingers crossed. We've been extremely lucky on this trip so far, so it's only just that it carries on in that fashion. We're going to be heading down over the next couple of days south of Fort William, heading back down towards the Midlands, returning the van, and unfortunately bringing our trip to the end. But in the meantime, see what we can explore and find around here.